Happy Sunday. Hopefully everyone is amazing. I haven't made a video in a couple of days, so I thought I would share my like a personal 7-year download that happened yesterday. So and this is just kind of like going to tie in a couple of things. Track with me, y'all, because track with me. So I learned a lesson that I had learned years ago when I lived in Oakland, and it was just so interesting how it like popped up yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday. So I met these two dudes, and really interesting dudes, kind of like more so like hippie type dudes. And so the conversation was like really interesting, and I don't know if it was like a combination of me being hungry or like me thinking about the to-do list that I had to do when I got done with this interaction. Like I had a lot going on, you know, and I'm like trying to keep up with the conversation, and was kind of like struggling to keep up with the conversation. And I caught myself like, how do I want to say, not like being judgmental, but I caught myself judging a book by its cover. And I find that so interesting because like that's like so not my style, right? Like, and I learned this lesson when I worked in Oakland, and it's interesting how do I want to say, it's interesting how like we will judge a book by its cover without taking the time to get to know who is in front of us, right? Because my goodness, y'all, like these two dudes, like I said, like they have like that cute like little boyish charm to them. They look like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. And I was just like, this is very interesting, you know? And so anywho, like that was the snap judgment, you know, like hippies, you know, kind of like stoners, Shaggy from Scooby-Doo type vibes. And and so come to find out, one of the dudes is like this amazingly talented like videographer. And I'm like, and he cleans up oh so nicely, and I'm like, this is so interesting. So I said all that to say, y'all, like we as a society, like we have to get out of this whole snap judgment, like taking people for their face value, and oh, they're not dressed a certain way, so they can't be X, Y, and Z. Like, y'all, he gave me his YouTube page, y'all. I went through his YouTube page and I was so fucking impressed. And I was like, wow, like if I would have been on some, oh, you're dressed, you know, blah, 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 I would have missed like connecting with someone that is, man, like I won't post like the actual video for like copyright reasons, but I'm gonna post a snippet of this dude's, it was like a short film, and just how he laid it out was just so impressive. And I was like, dude, like it's so crazy how just like how we play ourselves in society, just based off of like just on some snap judgment, hype, you know? Like I said, imagine like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. Like that's who was in front of me, and I was like, not like I was like being rude or anything, but I was not expecting what I uncovered once I went to this dude's social media. And I was just like, girl, society's crazy. So I said all of that scatteredness to say, do not judge a book by its cover. Like, you never know like the talents that people have, and just like how dope people are, you know. And like I think in the bigger scheme of things, like that is what plays people so hard in society. It's like that, those snap judgments, like not giving people the opportunity to show you or present themselves as themselves, and just being like, oh no, I'm good, you know. So yeah, that was my story, and I'm really glad that I did not play myself in that instance, because dude's dope. Oh my gosh. So y'all have an amazing day. I'm not editing this video, and that's it. I will see you soon. Bye.